But I want to talk about the standard that we set at Canisius. Number one, there's 3 things that hold the standard. Do what's right. If you have to think about something, whether it's right or it's wrong, it's wrong. Second thing that holds the standard is always give your best. I don't know why you wouldn't. Why go through all of this and not give your best effort? Do your best in school, be the best son you can be the best football player you can be the best friend you can be. And then number 3, uplift your friends. What can you do to uplift your friends? What can you do at home to uplift your parents or your sisters or your brothers or your siblings, cousins, whatever? But I know this. If you do the right thing, you always do your best, and you lift others up, that's the standard. I will let you know when you don't meet the standard. On the varsity level, it's the best assemblage of players I've ever coached. But it doesn't mean anything if we don't hold the standard. We're going to hold the high standard this year, fellas. And the only way that happens if we develop a goal and a standard that everybody knows. And so that's what we're going to do.